Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Flexin' Joe, and today I want to discuss a trade setup that's been working extremely well for me in the market. I have won 16 consecutive trades. So if you give me just a couple minutes, I will break this trade down for you entirely. I'll show you the entries, the stops, the targets, and show you how I've been able to make this work for me. So let's jump into it. Before I get into breaking down all of the trades, I just want to call out if you'd like to learn more information, click the link below and you can get the accompanying PDF with my full orb strategy. So I'm going to jump into 3 different trade examples and show you the process behind selecting these trades and how I executed them. The first one is right here. We're going to start on the 10-minute time frame. The first thing you're going to do every day is wait for 30 minutes after the New York Open so that you can mark the opening range high and the opening range low. The next thing that you're going to do is wait for a 10-minute candle to close outside of that range. You drop down to the 2-minute time frame, waiting for that 2-minute 20 EMA interaction. We also, as a bonus, have the aimbot and full agreements. That means that NQ and ES are aimed long and VIX is aimed to the short side, right? Because a falling VIX is good for lifting the market. For this particular trade, it only took a few minutes, and you see that the trade was a success. Let's move on to the next example. Even though this was FOMC and people get scared by it, the system was still there, presented itself, so the trade had to be taken. So same thing, mark the opening range high, mark the opening range low, okay? Wait for a 10-minute candle to close outside of that range. Once the 10-minute candle is closed outside of that range, you're going to shift to the 2-minute time frame. Now that we're on the 2-minute time frame, we have a 2-minute 20 EMA interaction. Enter in here, basically right on the 2-minute 20, risking above that high. First main target is going to be this pivot low, and not all the way down here because this is a tremendously large move. This is already over 100 points and it's FOMC. You don't know what kind of volatility is going to come out, and you want to lock in profits and manage your risk. Managing risk is the #1 thing that a trader needs to do in order to be successful long term. Again, full aimbot agreements here to the short. There you have it. In just 6 minutes, 100-point target is hit. Let's go to the next example. Here we are on the 10-minute time frame. Same thing here. Opening range high, opening range low. 10-minute candle closing outside of that range. From there, drop down to the 2-minute time frame. We're on the 2-minute time frame, and we see a 2-minute 20 EMA interaction. Now, the first one, was quick. It came down fast. Was ready to let this trade go. The second one, it came down. I started to see buyers pushing in and holding here. Take the trade, risking that low, targeting high of day break. And again, looking at the entry criteria, you see we have full agreements for the long trade. And as the trade continues to play out, you see that ES and VIX have flipped. This divergence is an alert to take profit and be wary of the market continuing any higher. So that's it. Very simple. If you'd like to learn more, click the link below and you can get the PDF of my entire orb strategy. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more future educational content. I appreciate you for watching.